Welcome to the Azanance Exchange mobile app, where earning money is just a task away. With a variety of activities you can choose from playing games, spinning to win prizes, or watching entertaining videos that suit your interests. Each task you complete earns you reward points which accumulate and can be easily tracked within the app. Once you've gathered enough points, you can quickly redeem them for real money through simple and straightforward options. The app is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to start earning right away, regardless of their experience level. You'll find that the tasks are not only simple, but also incredibly fun, turning your free time into a rewarding experience. Join a community of users who share tips and experiences, fostering a supportive environment to maximize your earnings. With regular updates and new tasks added frequently, there's always something fresh and exciting waiting for you in the Azanance Exchange app. So download the Azanance Exchange mobile app today and start transforming your spare moments into real earnings. Take control of your financial future by participating in enjoyable activities, all while earning money at your own pace. Azanance Exchange offers an exciting opportunity to earn rewards and make money while engaging in fun tasks. Users can participate in games like Lucky Spins and Scratch Cards to instantly boost their earnings. With each completed task, users accumulate reward points that can be exchanged for cash or exciting prizes. The platform's engaging interface makes earning money feel like a game, turning tedious tasks into enjoyable experiences. Users can also watch short videos to earn extra rewards, adding another layer of interaction and fun. With a simple spin or a scratch, users can experience the thrill of winning while effortlessly boosting their income. Azanance Exchange not only provides financial incentives, but also fosters a sense of community among users who share tips and strategies. The platform's user-friendly design ensures that anyone, regardless of their tech skills, can easily navigate and start earning. Regular promotions and events provide users with even more chances to increase their earnings and compete for exciting prizes. As users accumulate more rewards, they can watch their earnings grow, turning the app into a fun and profitable venture. Imagine diving into a world where every task you complete in interactive games translates to real money in your pocket, blending fun and finance seamlessly. As you navigate through challenges and quests, the thrill of earning becomes an integral part of the gaming experience. Each completed task not only boosts your gameplay, but also fills your wallet, transforming leisure time into a lucrative venture. In this vibrant gaming ecosystem, players can choose from a variety of genres, ensuring there's something for everyone to enjoy while they earn. As you progress, not only do you gain skills and unlock new levels, but you also witness your earnings accumulate, adding an extra layer of motivation. With each challenge completed, the satisfaction of seeing tangible rewards fuels a sense of achievement that goes beyond just high scores. The community aspect of these games fosters connections among players as you share tips and celebrate successes together. Furthermore, regular bonuses and promotions add a thrilling element to the game, enticing players to engage even more. As players actively participate, they become part of an evolving ecosystem, where gameplay and financial rewards continuously intersect. Step right up to the lucky spin wheel, where every spin brings you closer to thrilling prizes and cash rewards. As the wheel slows down, hearts race in anticipation, hoping for that jackpot landing on their chosen prize. Each spin is a chance to boost your earnings with mystery rewards that keep the excitement alive. Players can strategize their spins, deciding whether to go for big prizes or to play it safe for smaller guaranteed wins. With each spin, the atmosphere buzzes with energy as friends cheer each other on and share in the thrill of the game. The more you spin, the greater your chances of unlocking exclusive bonuses and surprise multipliers that can elevate your winnings. Every spin tells a story of luck and anticipation, creating unforgettable memories for all participants. As the event draws to a close, players reflect on their adventures, eagerly discussing their favorite spins and the treasures they've won. Finally, the thrill of Lucky Spin leaves everyone anticipating the next chance to play, promising more spins and even bigger rewards in the future. And so the legacy of Lucky Spin continues, inspiring countless players to step up and try their luck one spin at a time. Scratch cards are a thrilling way to test your luck and potentially uncover hidden rewards. With each scratch, anticipation builds as the possibility of cash prizes comes closer to reality. The thrill of revealing a winning combination ignites a rush of excitement, turning an ordinary moment into a potential celebration. Whether playing solo or with friends, scratch cards add an element of fun and suspense to any gathering. Each scratch card offers a unique design and theme, igniting curiosity about what might be hidden underneath the surface. For many, the simple act of scratching can become an exhilarating ritual filled with hope and dreams of what could be. As the last section reveals its secret, the moment of truth arrives, making hearts race with excitement. Winning isn't everything. It's the thrill of the game and the fun of hoping for a big surprise that keeps players coming back. Even if the outcome isn't a win, the shared experience and memories made during the game are priceless treasures in themselves. So grab a scratch card and join in on the excitement. Who knows what delightful surprises await just beneath the surface? Remember, it's not just about winning. It's about enjoying the journey and the thrill of the unknown. Step right up and get ready to experience the thrill of our spin and win feature, where every spin holds the promise of instant rewards and excitement. With each turn of the wheel, the air fills with anticipation as players hope to strike it lucky and claim their rewards. The chance to win instant cash or amazing prizes keeps everyone on the edge of their seats, making each spin a memorable event. As the wheel spins, the vibrant colors blur into a whirlwind of possibility, igniting hope in every player's heart. When the wheel finally comes to a halt, the suspense reaches its peak, with all eyes fixated on the outcome. With victorious shouts and celebrations erupting, those lucky enough to win are instantly enveloped in joy and excitement. Each spin not only offers the thrill of winning, but also creates unforgettable memories shared with friends and family. The allure of the spin and win feature lies in its simplicity and the instant gratification it brings to players of all ages. As players take their chances, the air is filled with laughter and cheers, creating a lively atmosphere that draws everyone in. Imagine a world where your leisure time is transformed into a source of income as you watch short videos and effortlessly earn money. Every time you click play, you enter a realm of entertainment, paired with the promise of financial rewards. With each video you finish, your earnings accumulate, making it feel like a game where everyone wins. You can choose from a vast selection of videos, ensuring there's always something that piques your interest. This unique opportunity allows you to turn idle moments throughout your day into profitable experiences. Whether you're commuting, taking a break at work, or relaxing at home, your earnings continue to grow with every video you watch. Sharing your success with friends is easy, as you can invite them to join in on the fun and earn together. As you watch and earn, you'll discover a community of fellow viewers who share tips and celebrate milestones along the way. The more videos you watch, the higher your earning potential, creating an exciting incentive to engage with fresh content daily. With a simple interface and user-friendly design, navigating through your earning journey is as enjoyable as it is rewarding. Azanance transforms the way you earn rewards, providing an effortless and fun experience that makes every minute count. With a variety of daily tasks to choose from, users can effortlessly rack up points while enjoying their favorite activities. Playing games is not just for fun. It's a dynamic way to boost your earnings and watch your rewards grow. Each point you earn brings you closer to cash rewards, turning your leisure time into tangible benefits. Azanance not only makes earning rewards enjoyable, but it also creates a sense of community among users who share tips and strategies. With each completed task and game played, users experience the thrill of accomplishment that keeps them coming back for more. Azanance is designed to cater to everyone, making it accessible and enjoyable for users of all ages. By seamlessly blending entertainment with earning potential, Azanance ensures that your downtime becomes a rewarding experience. With regular updates and new tasks added frequently, Azanance keeps the earning experience fresh and exciting. The more you engage with Azanance, the more personalized your experience becomes, tailoring rewards to your preferences.